Intuitive eating example. Good morning, just woke up, and last night for dinner, my husband grilled hamburgers and I made this, that Jennifer Aniston salad? It actually is amazing. And so we sat down for dinner and I just didn't want the hamburger. I don't know why. I just wasn't hungry for it. And so I ate that salad and that's about it. I just, whatever reason. But here's the beautiful thing about intuitive eating. This morning, I'm having it for breakfast and it's perfect. Intuitive eating, it's where freedom from food rules and food stress is, and your happy weight, because you end up eating less happily.